Yes, counsel for respondent. What is your
Misleading, Your
objection?
Honor, may nangyari bang misteryo dyan?
Kindly reform, counsel. I think we all know where you're headed towards, counsel. Kindly reform. You can get it from the witness.
Sa mga dokumentong sinabmit ng Vice President ang DepEd, after it leaves you and goes to the next person, the action officer, and then the reviewing officer, are there other documents that are allowed to be inserted there or substituted other than what was actually submitted by the Office of the Vice President at ng DepEd para sa liquidation ng confidential funds?
Yung mga dokumento lang po na yun, wala na pong nadadagdag, walang nababawas.
So, ang ini-imply sa question ng defense counsel sa chain of custody, hindi sila sigurado sa chain of custody.
Your Honor, please. Your Honor,
This
please.
is my redirect, Your Honor.
Kindly
She was the one who brought it up
Let
on
Attorney
cross.
Gapunan finish, counsel.
This was brought up on cross, Your Honor, implying, and I'm asking a redirect, based on, they were the ones that brought out, who are these people here?
Proceed to your question, Attorney Gapunan.
Okay. Masasabi mo ba na itong chain of custody may interruption ng dokumento? Meron bang substitution? Meron bang alteration? Itong dokumento na sinabmit ng Vice President at ang DepEd.
Hindi po, kasi yung opisina rin po namin is, kami lang po yung nandun and may nakabantay po rito na security guard 24 hours. And yung document po na ito, nakalagay po ito sa cabinet na nakalock.
So this COA ICFAO, ang nakakaalam lang ng mga confidential documents ay COA ICFAO. Merong mga ibang divisions ang COA?
Nasa loob po kasi kami ng Office of the Chairperson, pero yung sa amin is nakatago po yung mga dokumento namin.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, you were presented with several activities at sabi ng Counsel for Respondent, enumerate niya. Itong specifically protective intelligence operation and places of engagement. Tinanong sa'yo, pag ba ang mga security guards ng presidente na-inspect daw ang routes prior to departure and arrival of the president, of the vice president, I'm sorry, for possible threats, for criminal groups. Yung mga security guards ng vice president, ini-inspect yung rota. Dadaan dito ang vice president. Office of the Vice President or DepEd. Dadaan dito. Tignan nga natin kung may komunista dito. Tignan na natin kung may NPA dito. Tignan nga natin kung may terorista dito. Yan ba ay
Your Honor,
parte-
please. Your
I
Honor.
haven't finished.
Let her finish,
Is
counsel.
that part of confidential activity or confidential funds?
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Counsel for
The
Respondent.
good counsel is adding facts to the question. Can she not cite the exact wordings, Your Honor?
Your Honor, please. This is redirect. You opened the door,
She can refer to
Counsel.
the record, Your Honor.
Counsel, you opened the door. You said, in fact, you asked her, is this part of the, Your Honor, please. Is this part of the
Counsel for
regular?
Respondent, please, you read parts of the PIO, what do you call it,
PIOR,
Celine?
Your Honor.
PIOR,
But Your Honor, please, she can just refer to the records.
which
So that
includes
nothing will be
NPA,
added.
terrorist groups, and in fact mentions the word criminalities, which I'm not so
Yeah.
sure about, but criminalities, correct? Celine,
Yes.
correct?
Opo,
She
nabanggit.
said that, Your
So the
Honor.
question is, you mentioned earlier that these are part of confidential functions, not regular functions of the OVP, correct?
That was the question of Counsel for Respondent.
Exactly. She
I don't
responded to that
understand, Your
answer.
Honor.
Now, what is your question, Attorney
My
Gapunan?
question here is, Okay. Itong Office of the Vice President, na-confirm mo na may confidential funds.
Opo, meron po.
Okay. But in the Commission on Audit, outside COA ICFAO, are you aware that the Office of the Vice President has funds outside the confidential funds, her confidential funds?
Nasa part na po yun ng regular audit. Ang sa ICFAO lang po is yung sa confidential funds lang po.
So you're saying that the Vice President, OVP, the Deputy Secretary has funds.
Your Honor,
other than-
please.
I
Already
haven't even
answered,
finished.
Counsel.
She answered.
Misleading, Your Honor. She didn't say that they have funds. She said she has no knowledge because that is
No,
not the
Your
scope of her audit.
She said, Your Honor,
She said that
that
it's not
there
the
are
subject.
there are funds subject of regular audit. Regular funds
Yes po, may
of the
regular
Vice
funds.
President herself.
Opo,
And this is subject, Madam Witness, to regular audit.
yes po.
And being subject to regular audit, it is not part of the COA ICFAO confidential funds audit, correct?
Yes po,
Okay.
tama po.
Would you know that the Office of the Vice President has regular funds or special funds for security personnel? Are you aware of that, Madam Witness?
Dahil nga po ang sa amin lang is confidential fund, hindi po ako aware dun sa regular funds po ng OBP.
Okay. Regular funds, the security personnel, and it is here in your circular. It says salaries for staff is not part of the allowable expense of confidential funds, correct? You mentioned that before.
Nasa 4.11 po yung mga hindi dapat maggamitan ng CF at IF.
Salaries, wages, overtime, additional compensation, allowances, etc. of government, of salaries, benefits, additional compensation, allowance, or other fringe benefits of officials and employees who are employed by the government in whatever capacity or elected officials, except when authorized by law. The Office of the Vice President it is of public knowledge that the Office of the Vice President has no less than 400 security guards. Are you aware of that? Public knowledge.
Narinig ko po sa news.
Yes. And if the security guards are being paid salaries, should these salaries be debited or reimbursed from confidential funds?
Isa po, yung salaries po, hindi po siya pwedeng i-charge sa confidential fund.
Okay. So itong activity na sinabi na to check securities, to check surveillance daw, to make surveillance of the routes of the Vice President when she arrives to an
Your-
engagement, when she leaves to an engagement, when she attends engagements, Christmas parties, whatever.
Counsel for respondent, yes?
Ocular,
Your Honor, please.
I haven't finished.
Okay.
Okay. And council mentioned ocular inspection and casing of venue prior to activity. Now, prior to an activity, should this be part, Madam Witness, if this is a function being done by her personal security guards, should this be considered as part of confidential funds activity, Your Honor? This clearing the road.
Your Honor, please.
Yes, counsel for respondent.
The report that does not say that it was done by the security guards. Your Honor, there's nothing in there.
I'm asking her now, Your Honor.
That's asking for an opinion, Your Honor.
Let's clarify one thing first. The Vice President has no security guards. She has
She has security
a
personnel,
VPSG, Vice
Yes, Your
President Vice Presidential Security Group, which was, I think, later on placed under the Presidential Security Command, under the unified command of the Presidential Security Command. So,
Yes, Your Honor, I will reform.
kindly
if-
reform, counsel.
If it is the VPSG that does this activity of quote, ocular inspection, casing of the venue, clearing of routes prior to arrival and departure. Would that be reimbursable if they are paid separately from another fund? Can that be part of the liquidation of confidential funds, Madam Witness?
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Council for Respondent.
The witness is incompetent to answer that because the liquidation report does not state that these were paid to the VPSPG.
It's a question.
If she
Your
knows,
Honor.
Council, if she knows.
She knows.
Celine, if you know.
Pwede pong pakiulit. Sorry po.
Yung VP, I said, and as correctly pointed out, the presiding judge, the VP does have a complement, and they're called Vice VP SPG.
Opo.
You're aware of that, Madam Witness, and as you said, public knowledge that she has something like 400. No. My question to you is, and you already confirmed that the VP herself has funds outside these confidential funds.
Your Honor, please.
There's
Yes,
no question
Counsel.
yet.
Misleading, Your Honor. She did not say that she confirmed that there were funds of the VP outside of the confidential
Well, anyway,
funds.
Council, the Senate passes the budget of all the offices of government, and we are well aware that the Office of the Vice President has other funds. We need not belabor the point on objections from either side. We are aware of the existence of other funds of the Office of the Vice President as well as the DepEd. In fact, the DepEd is the highest budgetary allocation in any GA.
Your Honor, please, if I
Continue,
may.
Council.
Yes, if I may, Your Honor. Counsel keeps objecting to my questions, but she herself was the one who brought it up. In the first page of her own exhibit, it says here, and you asked the question, she asked the question, Mr. Presiding Judge, Your Honor. She says, what is this scope? This report, quote unquote, you read this. She read this, Mr.
I confirm
Presiding
that,
Officer.
Your Honor.
Move
The
on,
scope
Council.
pertains to the narrative of events and accomplishments of the VPSPG. VPSPG. In terms of the protective intelligence during the engagement of Vice President Sara Duterte for the first quarter. So, these activities are the activities
Move on, Council. Yes,
of the
Ms. Cheryl already ruled in your
VPSPG.
favor.
So she can answer, Your Honor.
Yes, yes. Move forward, Council.
Can you answer that question? If, as stated there, these are activities of the VPSPG for the personal engagements of the Vice President, is this a proper matter? Is this proper liquidation of the confidential funds of the Vice President?
Under the joint circular po, yung confidential fund should only be used dun sa allowable expenses under an item 4.8 of the joint circular po.
You did not answer the question, Celine. Yes or no?
Pwede pong pa-clarify ulit yung tanong.
Kasama ba sa proper liquidation ang personal engagements ng Vice President at ang bayad or the payment of compensation for the VPSPG for her
Your Honor, please.
activities relating to personal activities of the Vice President?
Kung yung personal activities po, hindi siya chargeable to confidential funds.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness. Counsel asked you earlier about the mandate of the COA, and you are competent to testify on it. Okay. Correct?
Opo. Opo.
Now, I will ask you about the mandate. The mandate of the Vice President. Kasama ba sa mandato ng isang Vice President, and I will read you the Constitution, performs executive, ceremonial, and social services, functions collaborating with stakeholders of organizations in both private and public sectors to develop and promote programs for the uplift of the Filipinos. In your opinion and your professional judgment, kasama ba sa mandato ng isang vice president ang confidential operations?
Kung base po dun sa nakalagay sa mandato nila, hindi po.
Hindi po. Okay. Punta rin naman tayo sa DepEd. DepEd, nakalagay sa batas, is in charge of basic, elementary, and secondary education. That's the function. Kasama ba sa mandato ng isang secretary of the Department of Education ang confidential activities?
Kung base po dun sa mandato nila, hindi po.
Okay. And yet, itong Vice President Sara Duterte ay binigyan ng confidential funds. Tama?
Opo, may budget po sila ng confidential fund.
Magkanong budget? Magkanong budget ng Vice President sa confidential funds?
Nung fourth quarter po ng 2022, 125 million. And yung first to fourth quarter ng 23, 500 million po. Pero ang nakuha lang po nila sa 23 is 375 million. And then sa DepEd naman po, 150 million, pero ang na-cash advance lang po is 112.5 million.
Okay. Let us now go to, so tama ka, wala sa mandato both ng Office of the Vice President at ng DepEd ang confidential activities. Now let's go to yung sinabi ng Counsel for the Respondent na quoted from the FIORS, itong report na sinubmit. Meron siyang sinabing activity. The activities read, Madam Witness, for the first quarter were pertain to January 2 to January 10 of 2023 for the first FIOR. Okay, first report, January 2 to January 10, 2023. Pero sa pagkaalam natin, and please confirm, on that date, on this period, January 2 to 10, na napakahaba ng binasa na activities ng Counsel for Respondent, wala pang confidential funds ang Office of the Vice President during that period, January 2 to 10. And yet, Madam Witness, she is now saying that these activities, well, according to Counsel, that these activities for January 2 to 10 cited in this report are by way of liquidation for confidential funds. Paano nangyari yan? Can you explain to us, Madam Witness, how is it possible that a Vice President is claiming liquidation for activities before February 6, the period for which she was given these confidential funds? January 2 to 10. Did you note this in your report?
Hindi po siya nakasama sa report kasi yung PIOR is sinubmit nila to support the payment of rewards po.
Okay. Let us now go. But based on this document, the activities cited by Counsel were for a period prior to receipt of the confidential funds that President said, this is in liquidation of the confidential funds I received. Going now to my next point, Madam Witness. Allowed ba ito? Parang the activities, Christmas party, tree planting, what's this? Council meetings, acceptance of awards, rewards, etc. Are these, by nature, are these part of confidential funds activity?
Kung under the joint circular po, yung allowable lang po na ma-charge sa confidential fund is yung enumeration sa item 4.8 po.
At hindi ito enumerated doon.
Hindi po nakasama yung
Okay.
nabanggit po ninyong activity.
Pero napakabait naman ng presidente. Yung giving of vice president, giving of medicines, giving of groceries, giving of ayuda. Hindi ba magandang activities yan para sa isang vice president?
Your Honor, please.
I'm asked preliminary, Your Honor.
Miss Lee?
Let's hear the council for respondent. Yes,
Okay.
Attorney Christine.
Your Honor, that's misleading question. And asking for an opinion. Hindi ba maganda yan sa isang vice president?
Sustained, modify, council.
Your Honor, please. I will reform, Your Honor. This tree planting, these Christmas funds, this giving of assistance, giving of grocery, giving of medicines, are these funds, if properly accounted for, could they be gotten from either the president's social services fund, or for what you said, there is another audit unit that audits her regular funds? Could the president, if you know, could the vice president have gotten all of this funding from her regular or social amelioration funds instead of the confidential funds,
Your Honor,
which you said must be strictly complied with?
Council for respondent.
That calls for an opinion, Your Honor.
She-
She should have
Um,
gotten it from
Let's
amelioration
let,
fund.
let's let it
It is
continue.
within her
If she knows, council. Celine, if you know.
Kung yung paggagamitan po is yung nabanggit nyo na activity, hindi po siya chargeable so sa confidential fund po.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, you said that okay. You were shown or you were asked by counsel for respondent certain activities. And she mentioned 4.8.6, which are among the activities that should be covered by confidential funds. To uncover, 4.8.6, to uncover and prevent illegal activities that pose a clear and present danger to the agency personnel, property, or other facilities under the resources. And using this provision, counsel for respondent wants this provision to justify the expenses of the vice president as listed, illegal activity of communist, national terrorist. But I will read to you, Madam Witness, the portion that counsel intentionally omitted.